Atomic Habits, An Easy and Proven Way to Build Good Habits and Break Bad Ones by James Clear is a practical and insightful book that explores the power of small habits and their impact on our lives. Clear provides a comprehensive guide on how to create and maintain positive habits while breaking free from negative ones. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding how habits are formed and how they shape our daily actions. Clear introduces the concept of atomic habits, which refers to the small changes we make that have a significant impact over time. He argues that by focusing on making tiny improvements consistently, we can achieve remarkable results. Clear presents a 4-step framework for habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. He explains how to identify the cues that trigger our habits, how to create a craving for positive habits, how to design a response that aligns with our goals, and how to establish rewards that reinforce our desired behaviors. By breaking down the habit loop and understanding its components, readers can gain control over their habits and make intentional choices. Throughout the book, Clear provides practical strategies for habit formation, such as habit stacking, habit tracking, and habit shaping. He emphasizes the importance of environment and how it can either support or hinder our habits. Clear also delves into the concept of identity and how our self-perception can influence our habits. By aligning our habits with the type of person we want to become, we can create lasting change. Furthermore, Clear addresses common challenges and obstacles that arise when trying to build new habits or break old ones. He offers strategies for overcoming these hurdles and emphasizes the importance of perseverance and self-compassion. Atomic Habits is filled with real-life examples, scientific research, and practical advice. It provides readers with a clear roadmap for transforming their habits and ultimately, their lives. By implementing the strategies outlined in this book, readers can create positive habits that lead to personal and professional growth. Clear's book, Atomic Habits, goes even further by providing practical techniques to make habit formation easier and more effective. He introduces the concept of habit stacking, which involves linking a new habit to an existing one. By doing this, we can leverage the power of our existing routines to create a seamless transition into a new habit. In addition, Clear emphasizes the significance of making habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. He explains that by making our desired habits more visible and appealing, while also reducing the friction and effort required to perform them, we are more likely to stick with them in the long run. He also suggests using habit tracking and accountability systems to stay on track and measure progress. Furthermore, Clear highlights the importance of understanding the role of our environment in shaping our habits. He explains how small changes in our surroundings can have a significant impact on our behavior. By optimizing our environment to support our desired habits and minimize distractions, we can create an environment that naturally encourages positive habits and discourages negative ones. Clear also emphasizes the power of small, incremental improvements. He argues that it is not the magnitude of our initial actions that matters, but rather the consistency with which we perform them. By focusing on small, manageable changes and building upon them over time, we can achieve remarkable results. Moreover, Clear delves into the concept of habit beliefs and how they shape our identity. He encourages readers to cultivate a strong belief in their ability to change and develop new habits. By aligning our habits with the type of person we want to become, we can reinforce our self-perception and create lasting change. Overall, Clear's book provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and implementing effective habits. By addressing common challenges and providing practical strategies, he empowers readers to take control of their habits and ultimately transform their lives. Whether you're looking to develop new habits or break old ones, Atomic Habits offers valuable insights and actionable advice to help you achieve your goals.